Hey crafty friends, it's Diann with Bean Street Paper, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make these adorable little desk calendars. I've been working on some craft show goods lately. I've signed up for a few this year, and I wanted to add some little stocking stuffer type things, little gifty items. So I modified my original measurements for these guys so they're a little more paper friendly. So instead of using a 12 by 12 sheet of paper like my previous video, if you look way back, these use half of an 8.5 by 11 so that you can still get a card base out of the other half. So I'm just going to show you a couple of the ones I did, and they stand up like this, little desk tents. Kind of hard to see the front in this picture, but there's this cute little Scotty. And then there's some trucks, some fall, or actually these have flowers in them, but the back is also decorated, as you can see. Again, they are just kind of like a tent. And the calendars I got on Etsy, I will link below where to get those. Here's some daffodils. It says "You're simply wonderful." I try to keep them, this one says "Enjoy the simple moments." I try to keep them kind of happy, you know, like, I don't know, encouraging. So without further ado, let's get started. All you're gonna really need is paper, glue, and this little calendar. I've already gone ahead and I wanted to make some mail ones. So let's start with the cardstock sheet. You're simply going to cut it at 4 1/4 on the 8.5 inch side of the paper. You're going to score at 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches, 2.5 inches, and 6 3/4 inches. And you'll just need some glue. I prefer wet glue for this. You can use tape runner, it doesn't really matter. So here's how this is going to come together. You are going to fold this side down and burnish. Get all my stuff out of the way here. Okay, then you're going to fold this side in. So you'll fold both sides in, right? Then you're going to fold it back out. And then turn it a little bit back in. And this is the part that makes the tent. So, and then you're gonna take the flap and glue it down. Okay, so I'm just going to do that with my wet glue. How's the weather where y'all are? It's finally starting to be fall here. Super excited about that. Although I cannot get out early on the motorcycle because it's too cold and I'm too much of a wuss. I have a 55-degree limit, and it is not that in the mornings. I'm just going to set this aside underneath my blocks while I do my pattern paper. So that, again, like I said, I wanted to do some more mail themed calendars. So my first mat is going to be 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. You'll need 2 of those. And then your pattern paper is going to be 4 by 4. Easy peasy, right? And you're just going to glue these together. Y'all, I'm sitting here putting these together thinking, why can't I see this? Because I don't have my glasses on. They're on my head, but they're not on my face. All right. So there's 1. And 2. These work up super quick. Like once you do the first one and figure out the scores, you'll be able to pop these out in no time, which is good because I think I have a pack of 50 calendars. I think. Okay. So then these little guys. This is. You can glue this right onto there, but I thought it needed a mat, right? Make it pop just a little bit more. So this is going to be 2 1/8 by 3 1/8, and then I matted twice, so this is going to be 2 by 3. Okay. And then you're going to just glue your calendar right in the middle of that. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below. That's how we stay relevant in the algorithm and can keep bringing you fun little quick videos. All right, so there is my calendar. Let's press that guy down. All right. This guy should be good to go. So now I'm going to put my pattern paper, and again, I always want to make sure that I know which side my tent's on, because I've put these together wrong. I'm going to glue my pattern paper to my calendar. Okay. This is perfect for someone that loves airplanes. Then I'm going to do the back. So tell me if you do craft shows or you do other things besides cards, because I'm primarily a card maker. What other types of things do you sell at your craft shows or enjoy making? Like, I like to, if I have scraps of pretty little paper, I like to laminate them and make bookmarks out of them. Okay. So there we go. I have gone ahead and, if you can tell, I heat embossed the Sky's the Limit on here. I'm just going to glue that right up top in the middle. I probably won't put any embellishments on this one, any rhinestones or anything, more because it's, again, geared towards a man. They don't care about that stuff, really. They don't care about bling. All right, and calendar is going to be centered right below that. I don't think that's straight. Oh, too late. Okie doke. And there you have it. There is a super cute little gifty desk calendar. You can do them with Christmas themes and stuff. I tried to keep them, you know, a year-round design. That way people can keep them on their desk all year round. And then you just tear off your first piece of calendar, and then you have January, and as the months go by, you just tear off from there. So again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to bringing you more quick and easy videos in the near future. Have a great day, everybody. Go forth and be crafty. Bye for now.